Welcome to Joyful Living DMV. We invest in real estate. Don't forget to subscribe to Joyful Living DMV YouTube channel and visit us online at joyfullivingdmv.com.
Okay, if you have a significant issue from weather, or you know that you live in a place that there's lots of weather and you have flooding, you might want to check out and have some flood insurance. We have found recently that you can get flood insurance from a regular carrier. Not all carriers, insurance carriers, are going to have flood insurance, but that's a simple enough question. You can call whoever you have your homeowners through and ask. Say, hey, look, I'm interested in flood insurance. The worst they can say is, I'm sorry, we don't carry that. You need to look elsewhere. And where else can you look? Well, let me tell you. Online, you can go to www.fema.gov. FEMA stands for Federal Emergency Management Agency, and FEMA has only been around since 1979. They have a great website where you can find out about flood maps, individual disasters, FEMA training, and you can find out more about the agency. But more importantly, FEMA is where you can go to actually buy flood insurance. In the past, that's the only place you could get flood insurance, but more recently, other companies have opened up. I think that's a little bit easier for everybody too. If you need to contact FEMA, whether you have questions about flood zones, if you live in a flood area, or if you want insurance, their number is 1-800-621-3362. Again, that's 1-800-621-3362. And their website is www.fema.gov. FEMA.gov. I would encourage you, even if that's not necessarily something that you have a need for, go ahead and Google it and check it out. It's one of the things that our tax dollars pay for, so why not find out a little bit more about FEMA? All right, well, that's my my information on waterproofing, how to tell if a property's had some water in it, how to tell if maybe there's waterproofing done in a property, and a little bit about cleanup and how to help yourself with having insurance or needing to get into contact with FEMA. I hope you've enjoyed this and learned a little bit of information, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
Thank you for watching. We ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Joyful Living DMV, to automatically see our latest videos.